Here's a little tip that might help you in repairing these small compact cameras. Cameras like these have a built-in strobe unit, and the strobe is a gas-filled tube that lights up with high voltage. And the risk there is that if you don't discharge the capacitor that runs the strobe, you have high voltage in these electronics. You can get shocked, or worse yet, that electricity can short back into the electronics and damage things. So you can avoid that by first opening up your battery compartment and having the battery exposed, and then going ahead, fire the strobe, thereby discharging the high voltage, and then ejecting the battery out immediately. Or if it doesn't let you take a picture with the battery door open, leave the battery door closed, fire the photo, fire the flash, then eject the battery immediately, and that should take care of any potential damage or shock hazard from the high voltage.